Hello, hi, good morning. It's July 9th. It's January 9th. What the fuck? It's January 9th. And it's 9 p.m., almost 10 p.m. Anyways, I slept all day. Work's been shit. I'm so tired. But I need to clean this room. So this is gonna be kind of like a little mini vlog of me just kind of cleaning my room, I guess. I do have some packages I'd want to open up and some stuff that I have been trying lately. So this is just kind of gonna be a whole vlog of that, I guess. I don't know. I was supposed to upload this vlog tomorrow and I'm just now recording because I have been doing nothing but working the last 4 or 5 days. But let me show you guys what room I'm tackling today because it is literally so terrible. As you can see, there's my bed and all my stuff. That's like my shit drawer. I don't know. And then I have that apple's been there for like 2 months, I think. I don't know. A bunch of envelopes and whatnot and headbands and my leftover McDonald's from yesterday that I need to throw away. There's no bag in my trash can. I've just been throwing that shit away too. So I'm just gonna clean up a little bit. So yeah, I don't know. I don't want to clean my room, guys. And I also still have to shower and I have to get up at like 5:30 in the morning because I work at 7. But tomorrow's my first day shift in like 2-3 months. Well, in 2 months, but I was working like half of day shift. So now before that I haven't worked a day shift since like July, so, or June. I don't know. It's gonna be a shit show tomorrow too. So I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. I don't really have the equipment to show you guys, but I'm gonna work my best. So if you guys see weird ass angles, I'm sorry. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but there was a thing that was here on my wall and I had it up with command strips that was holding like my bags and stuff. It's right here. I mean, I've had it for literally the longest time and it fell off. So now I have to attempt to put this thing back on. I don't know if it will, so wish me luck. I think I fixed it. Guys, if you guys watch Call of Duty and you guys are LA Thieves fans, I do have an extra large LA Thieves sweater that I'm selling for $95 or best offer because I accidentally bought it in an extra large. Well, I didn't accidentally buy it, I bought it in extra large and it comes down to my knees. So if anybody wants to buy it, let me know. Thanks. Alright, honestly, that's enough cleaning for right now because it is now 10:47 p.m. So I'm going to shower and I'm just going to chill out. My bed still looks like that, but I'm about to lay in it, so it doesn't even matter. I guess I can show you guys like my skin routine afterwards. It's not really much at all, but I will be right back. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. I'm going to show you guys just really quick. I like nighttime routine-ish. I usually just shower. Sometimes I do shower in the morning depending on what time I work. But anyways, this one I've been using. I'm going to do my hair first really quick. It's just the, oh god, the Miracle Leave-In with keratin. It's like a little bit more expensive. I usually just put this in my hair all over only because it detangles my hair. My hair is so damaged because I have purple in it. I don't know if you can see my chair. There's like purple stuff on it because I sat in it when it was wet and it was freshly dyed purple. Don't do that. But yeah, this is my favorite lotion, by the way. Please don't sell this out. They probably already will, but this is the, oh god, what? Oh, Coconut Waters. This is literally, oh my gosh, it's so, whatever. It's my favorite lotion. So don't take it all. Anyways, I started using Aquaphor on my face. Oh my god, you can't even, I don't really get pimples or anything. Like, I'm not very a pimply person, but I do get like a lot of dry skin, especially in the winter, because I don't really take care of my face or anything. So I'll just put like that much of Aquaphor on my face, and then my face is gonna look really like as if I just got out of the gym or something, because it's gonna be so wet, or not wet, but like moisturizing. And then after this, because my face feels like so warm and sticky, but either way I still put this over it. It is, can't even read it because of the baby blue. Oh, there it goes. The Hydro Boost Water Gel Aqua Gel Neutrogena. My mom kind of got me using this stuff, so this has been kind of nice too. I'll grab like a nail's worth. Oh my god, like a nail's worth of that. That's how it is on my finger. And then I'll just kind of put it all over my face, and it's more slimy, so it kind of makes the Aquaphor not feel as bad. And then usually, I'm not going to put this on right now because I'm not going straight to bed right now. I use like the mask. I don't really like the shape of these because they don't fit like my entire eye, so I think I'm going to get a different brand or something, but anything to go under my eyes. So yeah. I'm gonna play some probably Call of Duty Squid Game thing, or probably some Hogwarts Legacy. I don't know. I'm gonna get on for a little bit. It's I think 11 p.m. right now, and then after that I am gonna probably read a chapter of my Harry Potter book. I'm on book 3. I have like 10 chapters left, and then I will wake up. I might or I might not record my morning routine with you guys. I probably will. We'll see. If you see me after this, hello. If you don't see me after this, goodbye, I guess. Y'all, I got off work at 3:45 p.m. and I'm just now getting home. It is 6:50. Why? Because my car didn't start. Once again, after my dad said it was fixed, it was not fixed. It wasn't my key. I don't know what is wrong with it, but it's stuck at work, so it's just gonna stay there. I am tired. I'm gonna shower and I'm going to play games. Yeah. Really quick, I just realized I never filmed an outro. So, yeah, my car is fine. That happened a couple days ago. The next morning, my dad and his friend ended up going and grabbing it, and it turned on just fine. So I don't know what's going on with my car, but I love that thing to death, so I don't want to get rid of it. But I do have a bunch of packages that I have yet that I need to open, but I kind of want to open them after next Sunday, because next Sunday we have like our friend's Christmas. So I'll be opening up that then. But anyways, I am going to be starting the David Dobrik 75-day challenge tomorrow, and I'm honestly really nervous because I'm the type of person that orders DoorDash like almost every day, which I kind of stopped. I did order these factor meals, so I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm just going to be kind of taking you guys with me. I'm still a little bit like shy, like videotaping at the gym because I've seen so many like videos and stuff, so I don't think I'm gonna do that just yet, but I will show you guys like when I'm in the gym, when I'm out of the gym. I might take my phone out and kind of record a few clips here and there and try to figure out how to send those clips from my phone to be able to edit on my computer, because that's what I was having trouble with the last video, and it ended up just being a whole disaster, and I ended up having to edit on my iPad. Like my laptop wouldn't let me edit, my mini iPad wouldn't let me edit, my desktop wouldn't let me edit. I don't know. So if you guys have any tips on how to get my videos from my iPhone to like DaVinci online, or if you guys know any like Microsoft editing thing that I can buy so I can edit, let me know please, because I am struggling, because apparently like my laptop doesn't have that much memory. I really want to start like doing nursing videos too for you guys that are in nursing school. I'm going to be putting out a lot of stuff on this channel, a lot of different things. And then I also have a gaming channel. I just haven't really been able to record my gaming stuff because COD is broken, as we all know, and I'm trying to learn other games, but I really just haven't been in a video game playing mood. Like, I'm actually going to stream for the first time today all year, and it's the 12th day of the year, so there's that. Let me just show you guys all these packages, making sure my address isn't on any of them. These are all the packages that I have laying around. Of course, some laundry. We're gonna ignore all that stuff. That's my dirty room. But yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my non-aesthetic room cleaning video. I don't really know what this video was, but there you go. You guys can have it. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my weird life that I live. It's so repetitive, but I'm definitely excited to do these 75-day challenge videos. It's going to be very, very hard for me, but I feel like putting videos out there might help me stay motivated as well. And I think the factory meals are really going to help me, and I've already bought a couple of things, which I will show you guys that in the package opening video. But yeah, alright, well, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.